watching the video, don't forget to check the video description.
Overview of Binghamton University. Binghamton University, SUNY, is a public institution that was founded in 1946. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 14,021, its setting is suburban, and the campus size is 930 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Binghamton University, SUNY's ranking in the 2020 edition of Best Colleges as National Universities, number 79. Its in-state tuition and fees are $10,201, out-of-state tuition and fees are $27,791. Outdoor recreation abounds in the southeastern New York location of Binghamton University. Despite its name, the university is located in Vestal, NY, a suburb of Binghamton. The campus includes a nature preserve, complete with a forest and pond where students can hike, bike and run around. Through the Adventure Resource Center and the Outdoor Pursuits program, students can participate in organized kayaking, climbing and camping trips or can plan an excursion of their own. Winter sports fans can go skiing and snowboarding at Greek Peak, a 30-mile trip from campus. On campus, annual student events include University Fest and Spring Fling, two outdoor celebrations with live music, carnival rides and food. There are more than 300 student organizations, including nearly 60 recognized fraternities and sororities. Freshmen must live on campus. One perk of living in the school's residence facilities: free laundry. The Binghamton Bearcats compete in the NCAA Division I America East Conference, and student fans form the BU Zoo cheering section during basketball games. The school mascot is a bearcat named Baxter. On average, more than 9 in 10 students remain at SUNY Binghamton after freshman year, one of the highest first-year retention rates in the country. Binghamton University is ranked as one of the top schools in the state of New York. Highly ranked graduate programs include the Department of History, Department of Public Administration and Department of Psychology. Also, the university is renowned for its sustainability efforts. Notable alumni include Madeline Smithberg, the co-creator and former executive producer of The Daily Show, Andrew Bergman, the screenwriter who penned Blazing Saddles, and Tony Kornheiser, an ESPN commentator. School mission and unique qualities. Offering all the choices and opportunities of a research university, Binghamton University is also dedicated to undergraduate education and provides students with the attention found at a small college. Our students are among the most gifted in the nation, and our faculty are devoted teachers and mentors committed to helping students obtain the skills to become global citizens. Together, Binghamton's faculty and students create a stimulating campus environment that is supportive, rewarding and fun. Students thrive in a diverse community that promotes the vigorous exchange of innovative ideas. Entering freshmen with an interest in research can immerse themselves through the Freshman Research Immersion (FRI) program that provides first-year students with authentic research experience in sciences and engineering. With faculty and other inquisitive students, FRI participants conduct cutting-edge research projects in one of 10 unique and challenging research streams including biofilms, microbial, biogeochemist, environ sci, biomed chem, arch, environ sci, geology, molecular and biomed anthro, neurosci, and smart energy chem, phi. Entering students interested in research in the social sciences and humanities can find similar opportunities through the SOURCE project. Binghamton students excel, winning national accolades, gaining admission to top graduate schools and succeeding with distinction in various professions. Binghamton is a highly residential campus of small, closely knit communities where students can get to know everyone and find a unique residential life experience. Collegiate professors in each community bring the living and learning together, help students connect their academic lives with their lives outside the classroom, give students a place to turn when they have questions about academic issues and non-academic concerns, and connect students to campus programs and services, fostering faculty-student interaction. With one of the largest study abroad programs in the nation, students have over 1,000 programs to choose from. Students also take advantage of the many enriched programs at the university, including 3 halves and 4/1 accelerated or combined degree programs, allowing them to complete bachelor's and master's degrees in 5 rather than 6 years, saving time and tuition while increasing their marketability. The university emphasizes entrepreneurship through its entrepreneurship across the curriculum program that offers a concentration in entrepreneurship as well as incentives and assistance for faculty who agree to offer an entrepreneurship component in their classes continuingly. Students also enjoy languages across the curriculum, which promotes the use of languages other than English in non-language courses, helping students become aware of intercultural perspectives and providing an opportunity for them to continuously use their language skills. Binghamton graduates command top starting salaries because of their rich experiential learning, leadership development, global awareness, and critical thinking, analytical and communication skills. The Fleischman Center offers support to research career options, seek assistance exploring job fields or launch a search for a semester internship, summer job or first full-time job. Students also have access to online career tools, resume writing assistance, interview skills coaching, staff and peer advising, and on-campus job fairs. Binghamton students take advantage of excellent facilities for learning and recreation, attending concerts, participating in clubs and intramurals, hiking the university's nearly 190-acre nature preserve and cheering on 21 Division I athletic teams. The community offers professional baseball and hockey, opera, First Fridays featuring local artists' works, and dozens of parks and activities. The campus has state-of-the-art labs, 4 libraries and dozens of spaces for students to meet and collaborate on coursework and projects. Alumni starting salaries below are the median starting salaries by major for alumni of Binghamton University SUNY. Find your ideal major, college or career. Discover the perfect major for you based on your innate wiring. The innate assessment sets you up for success by pairing you with majors, colleges, and careers that fit your unique skills and abilities. This school's user reviews and ratings. See reviews and ratings of this school from students, alumni, staff, and others. These reviews are not written by U.S. News and have no impact on any of the best colleges' rankings. Read an explanation of user ratings. This school's questions and answers. U.S. News has a community of students, alumni, staff, and others who can provide additional insight into Binghamton University SUNY. When applying to Binghamton University SUNY, it's important to note the application deadline is rolling, and the early action deadline is November 1st. The application fee at Binghamton University SUNY is $50. Scores for either the ACT or SAT are due February 1st. It is more selective, with an acceptance rate of 40% and an early acceptance rate of 55.5%. For more information about the tests, essays, interviews and admissions process, visit the Applying to College Knowledge Center. Academic life. The student-faculty ratio at Binghamton University SUNY is 19:1, and the school has 46.3% of its classes with fewer than 20 students. The most popular majors at Binghamton University SUNY include psychology, general, neuroscience, biology, biological sciences, general, economics, general, and registered nursing, registered nurse. The average freshman retention rate, an indicator of student satisfaction, is 92%. Student life. Binghamton University SUNY has a total undergraduate enrollment of 14,021, with a gender distribution of 50% male students and 50% female students. At this school, 50% of the students live in college-owned, operated or affiliated housing and 50% of students live off campus. In sports, Binghamton University SUNY is part of the NCAA. Cost and financial aid at Binghamton University SUNY. 52% of full-time undergraduates receive some kind of need-based financial aid, and the average need-based scholarship or grant award is $9,655. Paying for college doesn't have to be difficult or devastating. Go to the Paying for College Knowledge Center to get advice on raising cash and reducing costs, or use the U.S. News 529 Finder to choose the best tax-advantaged college investment account for you. Campus safety data were reported by the institution to the U.S. Department of Education and have not been independently verified. The numbers for criminal offenses reflect reports of alleged offenses to campus security and/or law enforcement authorities, not necessarily prosecutions or convictions. Experts advise prospective students and their families to do their research to evaluate the safety of a campus as well as the surrounding area. Campus services. Binghamton University SUNY offers several student services, including non-remedial tutoring, women's center, placement service, daycare, health service, health insurance. Binghamton University SUNY also offers campus safety and security services like 24-hour foot and vehicle patrols, late-night transport escort service, 24-hour emergency telephones, lighted pathways, sidewalks, student patrols, controlled dormitory access, key, security card, etc. Of the students at Binghamton University SUNY, 45% have cars on campus. Alcohol is permitted for students of legal age at Binghamton University SUNY.